What's going down, everybody? This is your girl Manny coming back at you like a player always do, and this time around we are doing a reading for the sign of Virgo. You feel me? So we're going to tap into your energy, see what's going on. We're going to form a storyline. The storyline may be yours, it may not be yours. It just all depends. You feel me? And it's okay if it's not yours. Just check out some of my other readings. Besides that, I already sprayed, prayed, cleansed the energy. All of my information is going to be in the description box. If you want to get a personal reading, if you want to check me out on other platforms, the links are going to be in there. So, with that being said, we're just going to get into it. So, it's not going to be much click-clacking. We're just going to use B1 for today. So, universe, spirit team, what message do you have for the sign of Virgo? What do you want them to know? What do you need them to know? And what should they know at this moment in time? Please reveal it to us, and please make it very clear for us. Thank you so much. I'm sensing that I'm sensing wanting to be done with something or someone. Some of you, you've closed out cycles and you're about to start a new cycle. Again, a lot of you are feeling a need to release and let go of something or somebody. You feel it's overdue. You feel it's time. You feel like it's been dragged out. The other party may have caused you to drag some things out. People around you may have caused you to drag the situation out. In particular, somebody's dating. I don't know if the other party is famous or they're really popular or they're very attractive. It's like you're dating somebody that everybody wants to date. Like your partner is well sought after, wanted. And if you let them go, like, there's just people lined up. There's people lined up to get them. So you're at a place where you're just like, I don't even want to be with this person no more. But everybody around you is like, you're crazy. Like, you're tripping. Like, she's bad. Like, he's hella fine. Like, what do you mean? But they have no understanding that there's no connection there. There's really nothing there. And it's to the point, yeah, they look good, but you're getting bored with that too. So it's just like, man, like, I'm good on them. That's specific. I'm saying that's not going to be for everybody. But if it resonates with you, just let it resonate with you. So a lot of you are just hearing that it's time for renewal. It's time for something different. It's time to press that restart button, reset button. Some of you are seeing like the errors of your ways. Some of you are seeing where you made some mistakes. And you're at a point where you're ready to, you know, let that go and right your wrongs. You feel me? You're ready to correct that. Because some of us make mistakes, and some of us, you know, once we find out we did something wrong, we don't want to admit to it. We don't want to fix it. We don't want to face it. And some of you were like that. So you're at a point now where it's like, okay, bro, like I'm ready to face the music. You feel me? Like I'm ready to take this on. I'm ready to admit I did this wrong. I said this wrong. I did this at the wrong time. I'm ready to acknowledge the errors of my ways, and I'm ready to fix it. And this time I want to do it right, because I don't want to keep making the same mistakes over and over again. So I'm for that. You feel me? Some maturity, some growth. You know, I'm with that. So let's get a card of clarification of further detail. What deck can we use? Okay, so I'm being guided to use the Good Tarot. This is how it looks, in case you're interested in the deck. Alright, who is by? Alright, so Universe Spirit Team, give us a card of further clarification, of further detail, if you can. Regarding this energy for Virgo or whoever the message happens to resonate with. Alright, that was pretty quick. Okay, so a couple cards fell out. We're going to take what decided to show its face first. Okay, so love. Alright. Look at the beast being tamed. Okay. And then Two of Air, which is Two of Swords. Okay, we're going to deal with these first, and then we're going to go to the other ones that didn't show their face. Okay, so with these two, it's definitely a situation of you just wanting to be in alignment with everything. You feel what I'm saying? Like, you want to do what you love. You want to be with a partner who you love and who loves you. You know what I'm saying? You want to deal with family and friends who genuinely love you and care for you. With this Two of Air, it's you having to make that decision on who is who and what is what. Like I said, you know what I'm saying? This is more clarification of you understanding what's not for you, you understanding the error of your ways, you understanding everything that's not working for you, and acknowledging that it's not working and taking the necessary steps to make it work. And that's what's more important, I feel. You feel me? Not only are you admitting and acknowledging, but you want to change it and you're willing to change it. You're not just going to talk about it, you're going to do it. Alright? Good stuff. So, oh my goodness, these are buku cards. But we're going to go through them anyway, though. So we got Messenger of Air. Okay. More Swords energy. Queen of Water. Okay, that Cup energy. Justice. King of Earth, which is King of Pentacles. Ooh, an Emperor. Okay. Alright, wait. Alright, give me just a second. Take this off for a second. I feel like this situation, it really just been on your mind and been weighing heavy on your heart, man. And you being able to make a solid, sound decision is part of your justice. Like you see, like in both of these cards, you see, let's pull it up. Like eyes closed, super focused on whatever's being thought about. Eyes closed, super focused on whatever's being thought about. Like you really took some time to really think everything through and make sure that you're making the right decision for yourself. I feel like some of this could have been you guys doing some shadow work too, which is very important, and big ups to you for doing that. So with this King of Pentacles and this Emperor card, like that's gonna be the end result. You feel me? Like you standing strong. Like everybody tried to talk you out of it. Everybody tried to talk, they tried to talk you out of it. They tried to persuade you on your decisions. I feel like there's somebody in particular who's been trying to like low-key control what you're doing or what you're trying to do. But you having what you want and what you desire is the outcome for you listening to yourself, for standing strong and standing firm on your decision, for taking that leap of faith. Like you're gonna have that desired outcome of whatever it is that you were, trying to be in alignment with, whatever it is that is resonating with who you are and what you are right now. Like you're gonna get that. All of that's gonna fall into place. Let me see what's under the deck. 5 of Air, which is 5 of Swords. Like that's that. That's that. conflict, that back and forth, that unsettling, that confusion. You know what I'm saying? Being a part of this Two of Swords. You know what I'm saying? Not knowing what decisions to make, but you made a decision. You know what I'm saying? Now. And you decided to pick what makes you happy. You feel me? And I'm for all that. So let's get a card of inspiration. Let's get a card of tips, advice. You know what I'm saying? How to move forward. Okay, so we're going to use Goddess Guidance. Masculines, don't trip. It's not about gender. Just take the advice as it comes. And you still got that feminine energy within you, so. Got in the way. That one was about to plop out. My bad. Oh. Okay. So the one that showed its face. Don't back down. Stand up for what you believe is right. This is perfect, bro. This is a perfect way to end this. Stand firm in your decisions. Don't let anybody persuade you. Don't let anybody knock you off your square. Don't let anybody get into your head about what you decided. This is your world. This is your life, and you do what you want when you want to do it. And you move how you decide to move. You feel me? And it's not about what anybody outside of yourself thinks and feels. It's about what resonates within your spirit and what makes you happy and what keeps you vibrating high. You feel what I'm saying? And that's what it's really all about. So that's the perfect way to close everything out. I ask the Most High to provide you with everything you need on your journey, especially protection from these people trying to control you and throw you off. Like, that's a no-go. But I send you love. And until next time, man, that's all I have. I'm out.